you doing?
Are you going to burn me all night with her?
You stuck it up my butt, so now I gotta stick it up yours.
Oh my god. Ooh.
Don't do it, don't do it.
Always waking up from a dream, remembering how it felt to fall into how it used to be. You've been on my
Evening, everyone. For those who can't tell by our stunning jeans and our very similar voices, my name's Olivia. I am the older sister of the glamorous bride. Maddie chose not to have any bridesmaids, but lucky for her, our family is a fan of public speaking, so here I am.
holding my breath. Don't lose the moment. Here at the edge, our hearts are open, falling again. Your hands I'm holding. Don't you forget, we're all.
I'm beyond excited to be celebrating the coming together of Nick and Maddie and Jaden as an official family. They have been such an inspiration to myself with all the accomplishments they've stuck by each other's side through. They've grown together into such incredible partners, and this is surely only the beginning.
Our hearts are open.
Remember, love isn't always easy, and doing life with someone is challenging. Be there for one another and always communicate. Take each day what it is and never allow yourselves to go to bed angry with one another. You will without a doubt have disagreements, but choose to love and respect each other through those, and at the end of each day, you'll be closer to God's love, which will reflect into your relationship and one who is watching you too, for an example. So let us all raise our glass and cheers to the newly Mr. and Mrs. Pavone.